Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to get a free UGC item in Roblox. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, leave a like, and turn on the notification bell, so you won't miss any new videos on this channel. Alright then, without further ado, let's jump into the video. Alright, first open your Roblox homepage. Then, click on the search bar at the top right and type Free UGC Fight Simulator. Look for the game in the search results, but don't enter the game just yet. First, check the game's profile and see the like to dislike ratio to make sure it's the real one. If you can't find the game, don't worry. Just click the link I've put in the video description or pinned comment below. Once you've found the right game, go ahead and click play to jump in. Okay, once you're in the game, the interface will look like this. If you're confused about where the UGC item is, don't worry, just click the UGC button on the top left corner of the screen. After that, you will see the UGC item display appear on the right, and you can also see that the stock is still available. Now, if you're asking, bro, how do I get the item? Getting the UGC item is super easy, you just need to complete 2 tasks. To view the tasks, click the View button located right below the image of the UGC item. There will be 2 tasks shown there. Now I will explain the tasks one by one, so keep watching this video. Alright, the first tasks. You are asked to go to the 4th world of this simulator game and defeat an NPC named the Stone 10 times. I will show you the Stone NPC in the 4th world. Here is how the NPC the Stone looks in the 4th world. To defeat him, you need a minimum damage of 7.5 T or higher. So make sure your damage is strong enough before trying. Okay, let's continue to the second tasks. Completing the second task is super easy. You just need to play this game for 30 minutes. Because this game is farming based, you don't need to stress. For this second task, it will complete automatically while you're playing. As long as you're active in the game and keep farming, the second tasks will complete automatically. So just focus on farming until your damage is high enough to defeat the stone, and both tasks will be completed automatically. And that's how to get the UGC item for free in this game. Alright, that's how you can get a free UGC item in Roblox. If you found this video helpful or interesting, don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on the notification bell, so you won't miss any new videos on this channel. I'm Fallen, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.